Welcome to problem number 2 from the June 2014 Algebra Regents exam. Officials in a town use a function c to analyze traffic patterns. C of n represents the rate of traffic through an intersection, and n is the number of observed vehicles in a specified time interval. The question is, what would be the most appropriate domain for the function? So I think what might be helpful is to kind of visualize what this graph would look like, because the domain is, of course, where the graph exists along the x-axis. So C of n is the rate of traffic, and that's going to be our y-axis. So that's C of n, because it depends on n, the number of observed vehicles. So that means our domain is based on n, the variable n, which is the number of observed vehicles. Of course, when you can imagine yourself counting the amount of vehicles going through an intersection, you're going to start at 0 and count 1, 2, 3, and so on. So the correct answer is option number 4. It doesn't make sense to have, you can't count a negative amount of cars, so neither of those make sense. And you also can't have a fraction amount of cars either, so that doesn't make sense either. So it's definitely option number 4. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.